Welcome back to Oren's Cooking. Today we are making the ultimate gravy beef sandwich. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more comfort food recipes. Now let me know in the comments below. Let's get cooking.
So first thing first, I got a gravy beef here. I cut it up to small amounts and I'm just gonna fry it a little bit in my frying pan, just so not have to cook it all the way, but just have to cook it enough on both sides. Now that our beef is ready, you notice it's not fully cooked it's just cooked a little bit. We're gonna let it rest aside and we're gonna start cooking our onions next. So today I am a bit lazy. I'm using already cut up onions, frozen onions, but easy to just cut it up yourself and just decided to use a frozen one. Now the onions are getting a bit more browner, I will add a little bit of salt, a pinch of sugar, just a pinch. Keep mixing it and we'll just make it to it brown. Now the onions have caramelized more or less, I'm just going to take them out and then I'm going to start cooking our mushroom. I'm going to fry my mushrooms next. Put them all around. Some olive oil. Now the mushrooms are cooked. I'm just going to put it on my slow cooker at high. And I'm just going to time it 6 minutes and 6 hours. And I'll just keep checking on it. I'm just adding my onions and I'm gonna add my beef that I made as well. From India. And I'm adding some chicken stock. You want to make sure that the whole thing is full on top of it and it's all covered. I'm going to add some Worcestershire sauce as well. I'm going to add some soup mix as well. I'm going to add some paprika. And I'm just going to mix it all together. Alright, so this is my slow cooker. It's been 5 hours already. So I'll show you what the meat is like. I'll take one out. So this is really easy to break, then you know it's ready. And I'm just gonna turn this off, leave it overnight off and let it cool down. Now that our food has cooled down, I'm just gonna scoop my sandwich here. Put it inside. And I'm going to use it for my lunch today. Look how beautiful this is. And that's it. Hope you have a nice day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.